Okay, Thomas, you got this Scots spine. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, multiple trunk. We have 1, 2, 3, yeah, maybe 4 trunks. I will do first my homework. I will clean the chins, and then I will probably tilt it like this. I will leave everything. The thing is, all these ones are going to this direction, and this one goes this direction. So I will bend it a bit here.
So you have decided already. Can you stand here to see what I'm doing? Yes, you can do this. How about killing this, making this dead, the big one?
Possible. We have to ask the owner.
Well, would you, if you don't have to ask the owner, if you just had to make a decision, would you decide that? And why would you decide
Yes,
that?
I would probably do it because this is very straight and this one have a lot of movement. So
Okay. This
would be better.
This is
I think, yeah.
two people living together for a long time. They shouldn't have chosen that because they are radically different. Radically different character. This is not a good fit. So even after 100 years, it's still not a good fit. So I think it's something to consider to take this off. Or you do the opposite, to take this one off. Now, nobody would do that. Why is that? Because this is so much better. Now, if you say this is an embarrassment, even if you kill it and make a long gin, it's still a long embarrassment. So how about cutting it off right here, having some gins here in the background, and then you have this little tree here. I think artistically that's a pretty good decision. However, you are burning money here if you want to sell this tree, because people will pay more for a tree which has more grain, and you certainly have to ask the owner, right? Okay, would you agree to that?
yeah, perfect.
Okay, so and how we go about it? Well, we have some ideas now, and basically this is fine, but we have to only edit that a bit, but this is really a problem, and we have to think about and speak to the owner. And first, we do our homework. Now we have, we know that will look fine. However, now we start. And now we start with doing these gin work and doing cleaning up. And people are really nervous to get to the real work. Like, this is the crown is the real work. I don't want to spend time here. I do that later. And with the result that 1 year later they come to my workshop and have not done it still. Later means never. So do that now. Now you do all this gin work, even not knowing whether you need the gin. First you do it, and then you may cut it off. That's perfectly all right. And then you hold a towel against this, and then you speak to the owner what he likes, and then you maybe you smoke a cigarette if you're smoking.
If you hold it, if you see it from here, so it's not so straight. I mean.
So now you found a solution. Yeah, we can live with this if we look at it from a different angle. All of a sudden, it's not that bad. Okay, how about totally turning this around? Is this much better? Well, it's dramatically different. I mean, if you could have, this is a very good tree from this side, and the other one is still bothering me. So I personally would always have the tendency to hack it off. But that's not the first thing I do. I really take some time to do that, and I'm not advising you to do that. As a student of mine, you know you can do what you like, and not what I like, okay?
Also this root maybe.
This maybe. As you hear, you always will hear maybe. That is art. It's always maybe. So these people are not sure. Yes, thank you. We are not sure. We are playing. We are searching. Constantly searching, and all of a sudden we find something, and this is called art. If you're sure, then you do craft. I would prefer to hack this off and even put this, have this as a front. At the moment, this looks pretty cool to me, very cool. Okay, so it's up to you. You do whatever you do, but don't ruin it.
Okay.
And one more question. I'm not really much, in this kind of coniferous bonsai, but I was thinking about pines many times that in nature they grow really straight and up, and they have more like upward going crown, many times. something like literati, but with very little movement. Is it the possibility to do this?
Of course it is, but
It will be very boring.
But the fact still remains that you can style this tree like to look like a real natural sort of pine tree, and then you have this one which is radically different. They shouldn't live together. Understand what I'm saying? So you have to make a decision.
So in case you don't have this option, then this is
well, and my take is they shouldn't live together, and this has to go because I like this one better. But that's only my taste. I think this one simply does not have enough talent to be really good. The other one has much talent, but in a very different way. And you have to make a decision here. Okay? But speak to the owner. This looks very different than from before.
Yeah,
so what did you do?
Decided to make a half cascade at the end and make it transparent so that you can see the movement from the trunks. And yeah, I took away, it was a bit too much craziness in the tree, so I make it more simple. And yeah, I've done the chins, and
I see some black here. You burned it apparently.
I burned it.
Why would you burn it?
Well, first of all, it should not look so bright here, so white. And then I want to make it more in the future to be quicker, looking natural. That the sun and the water will make it natural.
Okay. So it lost a lot of dimension, but it gained a lot of character. Now you have this nice loose little thing here. Many people would say, okay, that looks good, a good structure. Now we want to build the paths and we want the clouds and everywhere the clouds, and that's going to take another 10 years. So how do you feel about the clouds?
Well, we don't need clouds.
You don't need clouds? Why that? It's all about clouds, is it not?
No, I don't think so.
No? Why that?
I think you're better in explaining this.
I better explain it. Okay. It's very simple. Again, everybody thinks it's about the clouds, about the branches. It is not about the branches, it's not about the cloud, it's about the most important thing, which is what? Is that trunk. Okay, you see this wonderful trunk line coming out from a very nice start, which we will reduce dramatically in order not to be overwhelming for the important thing, which is these two trunks. And these we want to see. So the last thing we want is clouds here that hide the trunk and that take away the weight. If we have had all these wonderful clouds that people want, then the optical weight of the crown would be heavy, and that would look weak and slim. The smaller the optical weight of the crown is, the stronger the trunk looks. How do you diminish the optical weight? By cutting things off and by cutting out. So that's much to the surprise of most people probably. That's the number of green we want.
Exactly.
Period.
Yeah.
We are not waiting for backbudding or anything. That's it. The tree is finished, other than that there's wire on, and we will have to take off. The minute we have more growth, we'll cut it out.
And we need a smaller pot, of course.
Of course,
yeah.
the pot is totally wrong now. We need a much smaller, nice pot. Question is, will it be a traditional nice pot, or will it be a stone thing, a modern? What do you think?
I think it could be a cascade pot.
A cascade pot, a regular, a classical one even.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Any thoughts here? Thank you very much.